Hello, welcome to KTA Quick and Order Recipes. I'm Chef Maka, and today we're going to make classic Bolognese. Heat olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add ground beef, ground pork and pancetta. Season with salt and pepper and cook until brown. Remove from pot and set aside. Add onions, carrots, celery, and garlic to the pot. Season lightly with salt and pepper and cook for about 5 to 7 minutes or until softened. Return meat mixture to the pot. Add wine and stir to combine. Add crushed tomatoes and bring to a gentle simmer. Reduce heat to low and cook for 45 minutes, stirring occasionally. Meanwhile, cook pasta according to package directions. Serve Bolognese over hot pasta. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.